Hey everyone! Today we're going through the steps to seamlessly integrate GitHub Pull Requests PRs with your ClickUp tasks. This powerful connection ensures that task status updates automatically as your code moves through the development pipeline, keeping developers and project managers aligned. First, access ClickUp and locate the Apps section. The integration process starts by accessing the central setup area in your ClickUp dashboard. 1. Access ClickUp. Open a web browser and go to the ClickUp website. 2. Sign in. Sign in with your credentials or use the Google login option for faster access. 3. Navigate to Apps. In the ClickUp dashboard, locate the More menu, usually at the top right. Click More/Apps from the drop-down menu. Next, connect the GitHub integration. You need to find the specific GitHub integration within the Apps section and authorize access. 1. Find integration. Inside the Apps section, click All Apps. Use the search bar, type GitHub, and press Enter. 2. Initiate connection. Click the GitHub result. 3. Connect and authorize. Press Connect and follow the on-screen prompts. This step is where you authorize ClickUp to access your GitHub repositories, granting the required permissions. Ensure the correct GitHub account is linked. Next, attach a pull request PR to a task. With the accounts linked, you can now attach GitHub PRs directly to your development tasks in ClickUp. 1. Open task. Open the specific ClickUp task where you want to link the PR. 2. Attach PR. Use the Attach PR option provided by the new integration. 3. Select repo. Select the relevant pull request from your linked GitHub repository. This linkage allows ClickUp to monitor the PR status, e.g. open, merged, or closed. Next, verification and maintenance. Final verification ensures the connection works and remains stable over time. 1. Test link. Link a single PR to a test task to confirm synchronization. Observe that status updates, e.g. PR status changes, appear in ClickUp automatically. 2. Monitor status. After linking, monitor the task for PR status indicators. 3. Periodic check. Periodically revisit the Apps section to ensure the GitHub connection remains active. You may need to reauthorize if permissions change or if you add new repositories. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.